Go.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our webinar, Digital Literacy Unlocked. I'm Ashmi, and I'm thrilled to be your host today as we dive into the essential skills needed to navigate the digital landscape effectively. I myself have taught my grandparents some of these features, helping them understand how it works. So, today we are going to talk all about WhatsApp. This is a popular messaging app that's more than just text messages. It's a tool used for staying in touch with your loved ones near and far, sharing photos, making voice and video calls, and everything is encrypted for your privacy and security. Over to you, Pash, to highlight WhatsApp.
Thank you, Ashmi. So now I'll be telling you a few features about WhatsApp. As Ashmi rightly said, that WhatsApp today is not just an app very less commonly used, but it's commonly used today. So let's share my screen and explain you all the features about WhatsApp. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Yeah. So first of all, I'll share you all an amazing feature that has recently come up on WhatsApp. That is Meta AI. So one of the best features about Meta AI is you can download images about anything that you type. Like for example, I want to have an image of a rainbow. So here it is. I've got an image and I can even save this image or I can share it on my gallery. The second thing that you can do is you can ask any questions to Meta AI. Even if I have questions related to my normal chat GPT things, you can just type in your questions and it will answer you just like other AI apps. Now, when you move on to WhatsApp, this is somewhere you get your contacts. So, one of the first features that I would like to teach you is the delete option. Now, there are three ways you can delete the message. First is by delete by clicking on the message, and as you can see here there's an option for delete. So here I get an option, either I'll delete it for everyone or I'll delete it just for myself. If I want to delete a message for myself, it means that I've sent a message and I don't want it for myself, but I want the user who has sent it to see the message. And if by mistake I delete it, so I can undo that option using this. Second way to delete it is delete for everyone. Now, when I want to delete for everyone, it means that whatever message I've sent to the contact, I don't want that message to be read. Maybe because it's a message that by I sent by mistake. So what I'll do is I'll delete for everyone. And yes, it's deleted for everyone. Now, third option that I get is when I type a message and I feel that message is incorrect or I've sent it to the wrong contact, I can simply edit that option and write whatever I want to send it. Now you can use this feature only for a limited time, meaning edit option is kind of a delete for everyone option only, but it is only for temporary purposes or for a temporary time. Now the second option that I'll tell you is about uh, copying a message. If you want to copy a message, you can simply click on the copy option. Now, the third feature that I would like to tell you about is the pin option. If you want to pin any message in WhatsApp, you can use the pin option and it will be pinned. And you can use the time for how many hours you want to pin it, or if you want to pin it for a whole month. So it's pinned. So this option will always appear on your screen on the top bar option. Next feature that I would like to explain to you is the star option. Now, whenever I star a message, it means that that message is important and I want to keep it. Now, whenever I delete all the chats, it will ask me an option. Do I want to delete all the options or I want to keep the ones that are starred? So all my messages are deleted except the one that I starred. So now I will tell you the option for what if I sent a message and I want to reply to that message. So I'll just click on that option and I'll click on the reply option and then I can type. Now, the next feature that I want to tell you is for the recording. If I want to record a message, how will I do that? So as you can see, there is a microphone option right here. I'll just click on that. I believe when you yourself can do it, this audio option. Now I'll tell you the next one. That is the camera option. If you want to share any photo or anything. So this is just my screen and I want to share the photo. So I just share it from here and it has gone. And if I want to share a photo, but I want to share it only once, I mean, whichever contact I want to share this photo, I want to make sure that he only sees this picture for once. Then I click this option of one over here. That's near this caption. I can also write a caption. And this is it. And if I want that, there's a disappearing option wherein all my messages can disappear. So I can enable that as well. Here it is. So I want to disappear the messages, meaning all the messages that I sent in this chat, I want to disappear them. I want them to be disappeared after a certain amount of time. So like here, if you can see, it's 24 hours, 7 days or 90 days. I think it's 24 hours. So after 24 hours, all my messages that I have sent here will disappear. Yeah. That's it. Thank you.
Subash, I had a query. If I want to hide certain chats or if I want to lock some chats, are there any options for that?
For hiding certain chats, meaning, do you want to like remove that contact? You mean to say like block that contact?
Not remove the contact. I'm just talking about stuff like, say, I've heard about archiving messages and all of that.
Yeah. So that archiving option is useful, but it won't hide the messages from the home screen. I mean, it will just hide it from the home screen, but if you really want to delete the messages, then there's a delete for me. If you want to delete certain messages from your phone.
Okay. And if I want to lock some chats?
If you want to lock,
Yeah.
so as I told you, there is an option for site. So you can keep those messages starred right here. You can star the messages.
Okay. All right, Pash. Thank you for that amazing explanation. And that was all about WhatsApp.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.